Okay, the recording has started. Okay. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Tracky, a project tracking application designed to streamline collaboration, progress monitoring, and project management. Let me give you a walkthrough uh, to its workflow and functionality step by step. So, the application has three roles: uh, admin, instructor, and student. And let's go ahead with admin login. This is the admin dashboard. And the app begins by with the admin login by creating a project and assign instructors to oversee and manage it. So, Akash, could you add a project? Yeah, give a project title, anything. Yes, so we have assigned two instructors to this for
Right.
this project. Yeah, and we can see the project statistics here. Could you scroll up and right a bit? Yeah, scroll to the right.
Yeah.
Okay, no issue. Cool. Uh, okay, so the admin has created a project and assigned instructors. Now let's log out and log in as an instructor and see if the instructor is able to view the projects created by the admin. Okay, so this is the instructor dashboard showing all the statistics. Please go to milestones. Yeah, so here we are able to, can you go to the drop down in the navigation? Yeah. So here we can see this is the project that
DUDI
was
project.
created
Yes.
by Akash. Yeah. So we can generate milestones for this project. Could you please demonstrate that?
Yeah, just a minute.
Okay.
So this is a dummy project statement, and we'll be generating. So we have a number of milestones over here. The instructor is able to select the number of milestones he or she wants in a project, and this is a project document. While we click on generate milestones, it will take few minutes to generate the milestones. Meanwhile, Sharda, can you continue further?
Okay. So after this generation of these milestones will be viewed on the students portal uh, with the project headline, and students will be able to submit their submission milestone by milestone. For each milestone, they can upload a PDF or upload a URL, and then they can submit.
Right. We'll just wait for a few seconds while this generates.
Yeah,
While
sure.
we hover over to different routes.
Yeah, let's just wait for this to complete, and then we can have a
Right.
yeah.
Okay. So this is basically using LangChain in the backend, and as you can see on the screen, that the project document pasted is right in front of you with the start and end date. And to the left of the add milestones, we can see different milestones created. The milestones have been created, and we can define the weightages over here with the start and the end date. And the instructor has the ability to edit or delete the particular milestone based on his or her requirement. We can change the end date over here, and we can define weightage for a particular milestone. Let's say the weightage is 20%, and when I save the changes, you can see the milestones being edited. If a user finds a particular milestone not useful, the instructor can delete that particular milestone. So this is the functionality of adding milestone using a project. We are using GenAI to facilitate this portion of the project. Shada, would you like to go ahead with the students list part? Shada?
Yeah. Am I audible and visible? Great.
Yes, please go ahead with the student list part.
Hmm. Okay. Uh, have we generated the milestones?
Yes, I have generated the milestones and I've given the walkthrough of the same. Can you please go ahead with the student list part?
Yeah. Okay. So the instructor can add students through a CSV file. So could you just click on add? Yeah. Just
Yeah,
select a CSV file containing a list of students.
sure.
Upload. Yeah. So as you're able to see, there are these three students who are added to this project. So basically, these are the registered students. So the students which are registered for a particular project, they can basically
Right.
they can be added by the instructor for that particular project. Okay, great. So yeah, so as we can see that the progress bar is empty. It means that these students have not submitted any milestone as of yet. So let's just log out and log in as a student and submit one of the milestones, and let's see if that progress is reflected here.
Sure.
Yeah, just click on one of the milestones. No, just scroll down a bit. Yeah. Click on milestone one. Milestone one. No, no,
Sorry.
that's not
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
milestone
Sure.
one. Yeah. So here, just there is this on right hand side. Click on yes, yes, and then there is this dummy URL here. Just click on the submit button. Okay, okay, this is already submitted. Okay, go to
So,
the milestone. Go to milestone two, milestone three. This is all submitted.
no, wait a minute.
Okay,
Yeah.
think we can go ahead with this. Yeah. Just paste a URL here. Just some copy some URL from another milestone. No,
Okay.
not this one. Yeah, from here you can.
It was what milestone? Milestone 3, I guess, right?
No, no, that was actually this determining last known position. Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, submitted.
Great. Now the student has submitted. Now can you scroll up a little bit? No, no, don't log out. Yeah,
Yeah.
go to the progress. Progress. Yeah. So here, okay, you can see that this as this determining last known position, this milestone is submitted. It is
Right.
green, so it indicates that this milestone is submitted by the
Mhm.
student. Okay, so you have to now log out and then log in as an instructor, and we will see if this progress is reflected back on the instructor portal.
Certain submissions. The instructor can use GenAI to summarize the given document. Sharda,
Hmm.
should we go ahead and use this?
Yeah, please choose a file first of all that you want to
Sure.
summarize. Any file would work, any small document.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, and then upload the PDF, and then document summary. Yeah, so this will generate a summary of this report.
Since, yeah, please go ahead. The
Yeah,
uploaded
so as you
document
can see, the
was
document appears to be a test. So basically, Akash basically uploaded his admit card.
right.
So the summary is here, and yeah, that's all for the student, for the instructor. And now we
So,
can, yeah,
can we just throw, Shada, can you throw some light on the multiple project support for instructor as well as students? So we have created a drop down where a instructor can allot one or more than one projects,
hmm,
which is be listed over here, and we'll log out and move to the student part of the.
yes.
Please go ahead, Sharda.
So these are basically this is the student dashboard where the student will be able to see the his or her progress, what milestones he or she has submitted. Currently, the student has submitted all the milestone, and the commit history part where the student will be able to see the commit history.
Right.
Yes, yes, and hmm.
Sure. Go ahead.
Yeah, can you go to the project document? Yes, so here the students will be able to see the project document. For example, we have SE projects, so we will be able to see the document of the whole document on the portal itself. And then there are the individual milestones generated for this project.
Right.
Yes,
So
can you
these
see?
milestones have been generated using GenAI as we saw on the instructor portal, and the milestones are listed below the project document here on the student dashboard itself.
Yeah.
Uh, to the right of the milestones, you can see a submission button, which is asking if the student has completed the required requirements of the milestones. The weightage is clearly mentioned, and the submission deadline date is mentioned over here. You have to upload a proof of the documents completed, whether it is a report or whether it is a, let's say, a code that has been submitted. So the student will have to submit a URL as a proof, and when this is submitted, it goes directly to the instructor dashboard and the progress bar is updated over there. Shada,
Yes,
would you like to add?
exactly. No, I think we are good. That's it.
Right. This portion where it manages multiple projects for a particular student, as I said earlier, that the Tracky felicitates multiple projects for students as well as instructors.
Yes, yes,
So, like in our case, we at times have to deal with multiple projects. Let's say BDM and Mac2 projects. Those two would be listed quite over here, and which can be segregated based on what the student is attempting, and his or her progress will be clearly defined on the student dashboard.
yes. Perfect. Great.
Right. So this was all about the student.
One more thing. Sorry,
Yeah,
sorry to interrupt.
please. Sorry,
One more
please go
thing.
ahead.
The one functionality that we missed is this commit history part. So uh, the student can enter the URL of the repository and then view the commit history.
Right. Do we have a repository over here? Yeah, we have it.
Yes, we do.
Right.
Yes.
Can you please throw some light on this?
Yeah. So this is basically the URL of a public repository, uh,
Hmm.
whereby we can see the timestamps when the commit was made, and then we can also view the commit. Can you click on the view commit? I think you did a few minutes
Sure.
ago. Yes.
Yeah.
So this is it.
So yeah, works totally fine. So this was all about our project Tracky. I would like to reiterate this has three end users: admin, instructor, and student, as we displayed through this presentation. This was team 1 presentation of the software engineering project. Thank you very much.
Thank you.